Spike, where are you, Spike? Hello guys, this is Rodimus Miner showing you a review on Transformers Dark of the Moon 4th packs Bumblebee G1 with Bumblebee Camaro. Yeah, first you see the G1, really nice. It looks like the old one from Classics. Okay, let's see. Head, arms down. This, then stick this together. This burnout looks like Bumblebee, a beetle from the Transformers G1, but I didn't really like this. The lines looks like a Camaro now. Well, let's go to the other one. Get away. Bumblebee Camaro. I like this awesome stuff. It makes him look Cybertronian. To transform him, let's transform him. His arms. Like you see, this is like the Revenge of the Fallen one. Ready. Here it is. Really nice. I'll make another video on the second half of this pack. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Really nice detail in it, and thanks for watching. If you want more Rodimus Miner, subscribe, comment, please really comment and like it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.